Bobby, hey, I'm submitting to a library you talked about in Syngedge today. They asked for 3 to 12 tracks, and I have 22 exclusive finished tracks in the style. Should I split them into 2 albums? You can. That could be one way you can go about it if you feel really, really strong about them. What I recommend is probably not submitting all of your work to one library, because even if they're a high quality library, even if you feel really confident about them, do you know that they're going to take those 22 tracks and do everything they possibly can and get you awesome placements with them? You don't know that, right? This is still a risk. It's still a gamble to give your music to a library. So I would recommend you take a strong set of 12 of them and submit 1 album, and then ask them, hey, do you want me to create more like this? What do you want in the future? Should I adjust my approach? What are your clients looking for right now? Basically, start asking them like what you can actually do to get into their more inner circle, where you can actually get some better placements and bigger opportunities for placements. And then maybe with that second album that you already have created, try to find another library. If you feel like you can keep up with the workload of 2 libraries. Personally, for me, I was able to do 2 to 3 libraries at a time. But I know that, pretty much all of you guys have a day job and you have other obligations. So maybe getting with 2 libraries in the beginning is not totally feasible. So maybe just sticking with one is the way to go. But I'm just sort of putting out all of the factors and variables. I'm not going to tell you what to do. There is no right way to do it. There's just what works for you in terms of how much risk you're comfortable with, how much work you're comfortable putting out there, how much you're willing to commit to maybe a couple of libraries. You got to decide all that stuff for yourself and make an informed choice. But I just want to let you know what the considerations are on both sides of those decisions you can make.